Students, I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Dear students, in the previous video we done exercise 5.6 and in this video we will start our exercise 5.8, and this exercise is based upon polygons. As we done earlier that a polygon is a simple closed curve made up of line segments. So it is simple closed curve which is made up of line segments. Now here we have number of sides. If we have 3 sides, then this polygon is a triangle. As we know that triangle is a polygon because it is a simple closed curve made up of 3 line segments. If we have 4 line segments, then the polygon name is quadrilateral, as this quadri indicates 4. That's why quadrilateral. Here tri indicates 3. Then we have 5 sides. If we have 5 sides, then the figure is pentagon, where this penta means 5. The next we have 6. If we have 6 sides, then the figure is hexagon. Here hexa means 6. If the figure have 7 line segments, then we say this is heptagon, and here hepta means 7. Number of sides, if 8, then we have octagon, where octa means 8. If we have 9 number of sides, then this is nonagon, where nona means 9. And if we have 10, then this is called decagon, where deca means 10. Means if a number of sides are 3, then the name of the figure is triangle. If the number of sides are 4, then it is quadrilateral. If the number of sides are 5, it is pentagon. If the number of sides are 6, it is hexagon. If the number of sides are 7, then the name of the shape is heptagon. Similarly, if we have 8, then octagon. If we have 9, nonagon. If we have 10 number of sides, then the name of the shape is decagon. Now next we have regular polygon. Now here this word regular means same, means a polygon which have same sides, in which all of its sides have equal length and all angles have equal measure. Its sides have equal length and all angles have equal measure. Means regular polygon is a polygon in which all the sides are equal, all the angles have equal measure. For example, square. In square we know that all the sides are equal. This is square, and in square all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal, that is of 90 degrees. So it is an example of regular polygon. If I draw equilateral triangle like this, 3 centimeter, this is also 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, in which all the sides are equal and each angle is of 60 degree. So this is an examples of regular polygon. So simply polygon is a simple closed curve made up of line segments. Now let's start our exercise, that is 5.8. Now first question of exercise 5.8 is examine whether the following are polygons if one among them is not, say why. If the given figure is not a polygon, we also have to write down the reason. Now here we have first figure. As this figure is made up of line segment, but polygon we know that it is a simple closed curve. Polygon should be closed, but this figure is not closed. So I will write no, it is not a polygon because figure is not closed. Figure is not closed. Now second we have this figure. As this figure is made up of line segments, 1 2 3 4 5 6 line segments we have, and it is a closed figure, so we can say that yes, it is a polygon. Now next we have this circle. As circle is closed but it is not made up of line segment, so we can say no, it is not a polygon. No, it is not a polygon because it is not made of line segments. So next we have D part. Again it is not a polygon because here base is curved. It is not a line segment. So we can say no, it is not a polygon. It is not a polygon because it is not made of line segments. So this is all about question number 1. In this you have to examine whether the following are polygons or not, and if not you have to give the reason. So this is all about question number 1. So let's start our second question. Now second question is name each polygon. In this polygons are given and we have to name them. As in this we have 4 number of sides. We have number of side, that is 4. 1 2 3 4, and we already done if we have 4 sides then it is quadrilateral. So this polygon is a quadrilateral. Now we have 3 sides, and we know that if we have 3 sides then the quadrilateral is triangle. So this is your triangle. Now here we have C part. Here number of sides are 1 2 3 4 5, and if we have 5 sides then it is a pentagon. So this figure is your pentagon. Now next we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and if we have 8 number of sides then it is octagon. So here we have octagon. So this is all about question number 2. So let's start our third question. Third question is draw a rough sketch of a regular hexagon. You have to draw a regular hexagon. So let's draw a regular hexagon. Make sure all the sides are equal, as regular means in which all the sides and angles are equal. So this is my regular hexagon. I draw a rough sketch of regular hexagon. Let I name it A, B, C, D, E, F. Here I will write A, B, C, D, E, F is a regular hexagon. Now next we have connecting any 3 of its vertices, then draw a triangle. We have to connect any 3 of our vertices. Suppose I connect this first vertex with this. As we know that vertex are the corner points. Here I join first with second, but we have to connect 3. Let I join this with this part. So this is your triangle. So I will write AEC is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, because if I join all the vertices, and we know that this figure is a regular, so here we have AFC is an equilateral triangle. So next we have question number 4. Question number 4 is draw a rough sketch of a regular octagon. So here we have to draw regular octagon. Octa means 8 side. 1 side, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. So this is your regular octagon. Let's name it A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So here I will write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H is a regular octagon. Now next is draw a rectangle by joining exactly 4 of its vertices. We have to join 4 vertices. So let's I join this HC. Let's I use another HC. Okay, as this vertex is joined by G already, this C with D already. Now here I join how many vertices? 4 vertices. I just draw a rectangle by joining exactly 4 of its vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have these 4 vertices. So I will write HCDG is a rectangle. So this is all about question number 4. Now next we have question number 5. Question number 5 is a diagonal is a line segment that joins any 2 vertices of a polygon. As we done earlier, if this is a quadrilateral, if I join the opposite vertices, non-adjacent vertices, then this is a diagonal. Now the question is, draw a rough sketch of pentagon. Pentagon means a polygon having 5 sides. So let join and draw this pentagon with 5 sides. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have 5 sides. Let I name it A, B, C, D, E. So I will write A, B, C, D, E is a pentagon. Here just written as you have to draw a pentagon. Regular is not given. Then draw its diagonals. Now in this I have to draw the diagonal. Diagonal means it is a line segment that joins any 2 vertices of the polygon, but it is not a side. If I say I join B with C, as these are the vertices, but it is the side of a pentagon, it is not a diagonal. Diagonal is a line segment that always join the non-adjacent vertices. So if I join this vertex B and D, this is your first diagonal. So here I will write diagonals also side by side. My first diagonal is BD. So next I have to join this EC. This is my second diagonal. So second I have EC. Okay. Then I will join this EB. This is also a diagonal. This EB is also a diagonal. Next A vertex with D, AD. Then fifth is if I join this A with C, AC. So this is all about the possibility. In pentagon we can draw only 5 diagonals, and here we get a star like structure, and this is all about the question. Firstly we draw a pentagon, and in pentagon we have 5 diagonals, and we draw the diagonals and also name them. So this is all about our exercise 5.8. Take care students.